Once a DR has been written and submitted, it is assigned to a responsible engineer to address the issue. In doing so, the engineer documents the modifications made in the simulator on the DR page. Next, the engineer assesses the status of the DR to ready for recheck. The author is then notified by email, stating that the DR status has been changed. Now it is the job of the author to verify that the expected adjustments to the simulator have been made. Depending on the engineer's work, the author can add comments or change the status of the DR by selecting an appropriate option from the drop-down menu. If the changes made have been approved, the DR should be sent as closed, or if pending depending on other circumstances, the DR can be set to track for later revision, and if the changes were not acceptable, the DR can be rejected. Comments added to the DR should detail why each option was selected. At any time during a DR cycle, the author can edit the DR to add information, such as pictures, and add comments, to help the engineer either clarify the issue or aid in finding a solution.